How to make Facebook ad images on Canva. Today I'm creating a Facebook ad image on Canva. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to log into our Canva account. So if you don't have one already, all it takes is your email address, and that is literally all about it. From here, I'll be clicking on Create a Design button right over here on the right bar. And in the search bar, I'll be searching for Facebook ad. So as you can see, there are many different Facebook ad templates on Canva, but I always recommend using the Facebook feed ad right over here. I like to use this one because square ads work well on both mobile and desktop. This makes you work more effective since you can use the same ad on multiple devices. So choose a square ad template, the one over here, click on that, and this will bring us to the Canva editor page. Now, here's my secret, so hear me out. You want to find a creator you know and trust, someone whose ads are very successful and whose business is highly profitable. It's best if this creator has an ad with a similar product or target audience and overall a similar vibe to yours. So if you're, for example, targeting women who wants to start their own business, you should then look at the ads of well-known and trusted women in the marketing space and check the type of design they create for their audience. Or if you're targeting young males, for example, who are all about money and success, you should then check out the ads they are creating for their target audience. Knowing what type of colors they use, what images they often include, how's your messaging like, can really help you create a successful ad instead of just using one of the templates that Canva already provides you. So to do this, you're gonna go to the Facebook ads library over here. So it will be facebook.com/ads/library. And this tool lets you see all the campaigns, all the ads currently running on Facebook and Instagram. So what you're going to do now is basically in the search bar, you're going to search for the creator whose ad you want to model. So for this example, I'll be going with Amy Porterfield as she is a creator that I truly love and trust. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this country kind of option. And from France, I'm going to say all. For the category, I'll do the same and make sure that it is set on all ads. And here I'm going to be searching for Amy Porterfield right over there. So here we will basically see all the ads that this creator has on active currently and some previous ads as well. And now I'll be looking for a masterclass ad since that's what I'll be promoting in the example that we'll be working on today. So I'm just basically looking for similar ads to what I want to create, and I'm also trying to basically find an ad that has been running for a long time, as this kind of indicates they are profitable. Okay, so I found this one that I really much love, so I think I'm going to be using this one over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'll go back to Canva and try to recreate this ad in my own style. Okay, so I will start by choosing a background similar to the one that Amy used. So as you can see, she basically has her own picture over here set as a background. So I'll find an image of her in Google and I'll use that as an example. I found this image right over here that I think I like. I'm going to be saving this image to my desktop. Now I am going to go back to my Canva. So in order for you to upload an image existing within your desktop or in your computer, you're going to go to the Uploads tab over here. Click on Upload Files, and here basically select the picture that you want to use as a background. So of course I am using Emmy's picture here as an example, But when you're doing this, use the actual picture of your business owner. So I'm going to click on open, and now my picture will be displayed on the left bar. I'm going to click on that. It will appear in the middle of my page. Now I'm going to do a right click on it, and I'm going to click on set image as background. So one thing you can do is you can double click on this. You can kind of play around with the placement of this image and adjust it accordingly. Okay, now we will add the text to our ad. So if you remember, Amy's ad says how to add 10,000 subscribers this year to transform your business's revenue. So I'm going to go with something different, and I'll change mine to something else. So to do that, you are going to go to the text tab over here. You're going to click on add a heading. So my kind of text will be boost your business revenue this year by gaining 10,000 new subscribers. And the idea here is basically to use similar fonts and styles to match the original ad text. For instance, I am going to make this kind of smaller, and I am going to go to font over here. But before that, let me place it nicely over there and make some further adjustments. And now I am going to go to fonts, and I will basically try to find a font combination that kind of is similar to the one that Amy used in the example ad we're working on. So now I think I found a font style that I like, and I find it quite similar to the one over here. So I'm going to be keeping as it is right now. One thing you'll notice here is Amy kind of used this little effect or this line over here in 10,000 subscribers. So I'm going to be doing the exact same thing for my own ad. So to do that, I am going to go to the Elements tab over here, and I'm going to be searching for gradients. I'm going to click on See All for graphics, and here I'm going to try to find a line that is similar to the one in the example ad. So for instance, we can maybe go with something like this. One cool thing about Canva is once you click on one of the elements, you're going to have this magic recommendations. When you click on See All, you will see similar elements to the one that you picked. So you can also choose one of the examples over here. So now I'm zooming in just a tiny bit and kind of placing this like that. In the example, 10,000 was written in bold and it was italic, so I am gonna mimic that as well, like that. So in this ad, Amy used a blue kind of highlight, so I am gonna kind of click on my highlight over here. On the top bar, you will see this option for color. Here you can select one of the bluish colors over here, like that, and just continue to do this until you have your desired coloring. And once I'm happy with my text, as you can see in the original ad, there is this little kind of box over here saying free masterclass. I want to kind of recreate that in my own ad as well. So I'm heading back to Canva over here. Again, I'm on the Elements tab, and I'm going to be going to Shapes, and here I'm going to click on See All, and I'm going to select this square shape over here. I am going to make further adjustments like that and kind of create this column over here by simply clicking on one of the edges and pulling it to the right side to extend it. Now I will create the exact same line, just like the one in the example ad over here. Amy used a yellow colors, so I'm going to recreate that simply by changing the color. I'm clicking on the color section over here. I am clicking on this yellow, and I am going back to the top bar. Here I'm going to click on this plus icon, and I will kind of adjust the undertone of my green. For instance, this is not exactly the same one that she used, but I want to kind of adjust this to my own liking. So I'm going to go with this yellow color over here, and now I'm going to be adding my text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the text tab. I'm going to click on add a subheading, and here I'm going to write free master class I did this in capital letters. Now I am going to text color and changing the color to black. Now I will place it accordingly to my line over here. Going back to the font, on the top section you will see the fonts that are used in this document. So you can, for instance, select the same font as we used for our text over here. So I'm gonna go and say Alex. So the overall idea is, if the original ad uses a specific color scheme, adapt it to match your brand while maintaining the overall look and feel. So one thing you can do is you can duplicate the design over here. So you're just going to click on duplicate page, and then you can kind of create variations with different color schemes to A/B test which performs better. So to basically change the color of it, if you would remember, you would just go to color and kind of play around with the coloring and see what works best for you. And that's all about it. You created a Facebook ad using Canva that's modeled after a successful ad, giving you a higher level of confidence that it will perform well.